Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In the last class, we have discussed about binary operation and the laws of binary operations. We shall recall them. Binary operation means it is a function, means there is a star from A cross A to A. Binary operation, it denotes a star operation star from your Cartesian product A cross A to set A. Well, here A is what means non-empty set. Non-empty set. Star, it is a function from A cross A to A. Definition. It denotes star of A comma B by A star B. This means your ordered pair A comma B belongs to a domain A cross A, and their A star B unique element, it belongs to set A. Or we can say that to each ordered pair A comma B in Cartesian product A cross A, to get a unique element A star B in the same set A means, then we say that star is called a binary operation on set A. Star is a binary operation set A means here star binary operation different from Cartesian product to here same set here A. Laws of binary operations. Laws means here properties of binary operations. First one, commutative law. So commutative law here, star is a binary operation on non-empty set A. Then clearly, if A star B equal to B star A, for all here A and B belongs to your given set A. A star B equal to B star A for all A B belongs to set A. We know that addition and multiplication are always commutative but subtraction and division are not commutative Next, second law, associative law. A star is a binary operation on non-empty set A. That means star different from A cross A to A. If A star B of star C equal to A star of B star C. For all A, B, C belongs to set A. Here on both sides here we can observe here A, B, C in order. Here A star B of star C, this is equal to A star of B star C. So clearly addition and multiplication are associative on any set, but subtraction and division are not associative. Next, third one, identity law. Identity law, very important one. A star E equal to A, this is equal to E star A. For all here A belongs to given set, suppose given set A, non-empty set A. A star E equal to A, E star A equal to A. Here A belongs to given non-empty set, E belongs to same set A. Then here we say that E is called the identity element. Identity element with respect to operation star. A star equal to A. Any element with E equal to element itself with respect to operation star means here E is called the identity element. We know that 0 is the identity element. 0 is the identity element with respect to addition. 1 is the identity element with respect to multiplication. So next, fourth one, inverse law. A star is a binary operation on non-empty set A if A star B equal to E equal to B star A. B star A. Here for all here A B belongs to set A means when we say that A element is invertible means here A belongs to given set A, B belongs to same set A. This means mind it. Here A is said to be invertible if there exists an element B in same set A. If A star B equal to E means identity element, this is equal to B star A. Means A star B equal to identity element, B star A equal to identity element. Here we say that B is called the inverse of A. B is called the inverse of A. Got it? A star B equal to identity element. Mind it. Clearly, minus a is called the inverse of a with respect to addition. With respect to addition. With respect to multiplication, 1 by a is called the inverse of a with respect to multiplication, but here a is not equal to 0. Very important. With respect to addition means minus a is called the inverse of a. With respect to multiplication, 1 by a is called the inverse of a. On the set of means rational numbers, real numbers. Now we go to the problem. In the last class we have done two problems. First problem, two sub problems. Now we go to third problem, a sub problem. Your problem is verify star is a binary operation or not. If not, give reason. Sub problem, on R defined star by a star b equal to ab square. Here binary operation star here defined on the set of all real numbers. Verify what about it is a binary operation or not. Find it. I am taking your element here. Let element two elements ab belongs to your R. Here we have ab square binary operation defined. What about a is a real number? What about a into b? The product of two real numbers again a real number. B square. B is a real number means clearly B square is a real number. Correct. Multiply by B square by A. Clearly A into B square again a real number. Clearly AB square belongs to real number. Therefore here A star B equal to AB square, it belongs to real number. Means clearly it is a binary operation. You take any two elements in a real number, in the set of real numbers. This product of A into B square again a real number. This means here star is a binary operation on the set of real numbers. Finally write means statement of binary operation. That is here. Star carries definition. Star carries each ordered pair A comma B to a unique element. This is right. A star B equal to AB square in R belongs to R. Therefore, star is a binary operation on R. Got it here? Here A and B are real numbers. A into B square again a real number. Means A star B, a star defined like this. A star B equal to AB square, it belongs to real number. Therefore, right, star carries each ordered pair A comma B to get a unique element A star B equal to AB square in the same sector. Therefore, star is a binary operation on the set of real numbers. Next, fourth one. On Z plus, define star by A star B equal to modulus of A minus B. Here Z plus means set up all positive integers. Set up all positive integers. Here modulus of A minus B. Here A and B you take any positive number. Modulus means clearly it will be what about means non-negative integers here. Therefore, here clearly you take any two positive integers. Clearly modulus A minus B again a positive integer cannot be negative. Therefore, here star is a binary operation. Let A comma B belongs to Z plus. A star B equal to modulus of A minus B, positive integer. Here modulus means non-negative, like it belongs to positive means clearly star is a binary operation. Therefore, you write star carries each ordered pair A comma B to a unique element. A star B equal to modulus of A minus B belongs to Z plus. Therefore, star is a binary operation on Z plus. Next, fifth problem. On Z plus, define star by A star by equal to A. So here binary operation star is defined here. A star be equal to A. What about means here? Star is defined on the set of all Z plus means set of all positive integers means here. Clearly A and B are set of all positive integers. Got it? Here A and B are positive integer. RHS what about star defined? A means clearly A is positive integer. Therefore what about means you take any two positive integer clearly which gives unique element positive integer. Therefore here star is a binary operation. Let take like let A comma B belongs to Z plus, then what about A star B equal to define A star B equal to A, it belongs to Z plus. Here A and B are positive integer means here A and B are positive integer, star means here A defined, A is also positive integer, therefore right. That is star carries each ordered pair A comma B to a unique element A star B equal to A belongs to Z plus. Therefore star is a binary operation. So now go to second problem. Second problem. For each operation star defined below, determine whether star is binary, commutative or associate. Second problem is a problem. First one, answer define A star B equal to A minus B. So more detail to the problem. The first type problem we verified whether star is binary or not, but here you see for each operation star defined below, determine whether star is binary, commutative or associative. Here we have to verify star is binary operation, commutative or associative. Here first one here answer define A star B equal to A minus B means here star is defined on a set of all integers. Here both A and B are integers. Then what about here A minus B? A and B are integers means here we have here binary operation subtraction. Subtraction means the difference of any two integer again an integer. Therefore here star is a binary operation on the set of all integers. I am marking small and means verifying your binary operation here. Let AB belongs to Z. Clearly A star B, A star defined A star B means A minus B. The difference of two integers again an integer here. Integer not positive integer. That is right. Star carries each ordered pair A comma B to a unique element A star B equal to A minus B belongs to Z. Therefore star is a binary operation on Z. Second one, verify star is commutative or not. Here binary operation subtraction means we know that subtraction is not commutative, not associative. Subtraction means it is neither commutative nor associative. I am taking particular elements. I am going to prove it is not commutative and not associative. For suppose here on Z here we have integer Z, we take any two integer here. For 1 2 belongs to integer here. 1 and 2 are integer. Commutative property we know that A star B equal to B star M means then star is commutative. Here first here A star B here we have A star B, here A equal to 1, B equal to 2, this means 1 star 2, this is equal to a star defined A star B is equal to A minus B. A star B, A minus B, it is defined like this. 1 star 2, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1. Next, B star A. Take A star B, this is B star A means interchanging 1 and 2, 2 star 1. Your operation defined A star B equal to A minus B. Got it. Here A star B, 2 star 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Here 1 star 2 equal to minus 1, 2 star 1 equal to 1. This means A star B minus 1, B star A 1, but minus 1 is not equal to plus 1, means it is not commutative. Therefore, here write 1 star 2 which is not equal to 2 star 1. For 1 2 belongs to a set integer. Therefore, star is not commutative. Verify it is associative or not. Mind it, clearly it is not associative because here we have binary operation subtraction. By taking particular elements in the given set, prove that it is not associative. For each one I am taking 1 2 3. Now 1 2 3 belongs to here. For 1 2 3 belongs to given set Z. Associative property here. A star B of star C, this is equal to A star of B star C. Here. LHS A star B of star C means here A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3. I am taking in order. Now I am taking here LHS. This is LHS. A star B 1 star 2, 1 star 2 of star 3. A star B of star. Next RHS A star of B star C. Here A equal to 1 here. 1 star of B star C. B equal to C equal to 3. 2 star. Here binary operation defined. A star B equal to A minus B. Money it. Replace star by minus. A star B equal to A minus B. First within bracket I am going to define here 1 star 2, 1 minus 2. Got it? 1 star 2, 1 minus 2, here star 3 as it is. 1 minus 2 minus 1, star 3. Now defined here binary operation A star B, A minus B. Here A equal to minus 1, minus 3. A star B, A minus B. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 4. Call it as equation 1. Now RHS A star of B star C. 1 star as it is. First defined here within bracket A star B, A minus B means 2 minus 3. 1 star of 2 minus 3 minus 1. Got it. Now define binary operation star A star B, A minus B. A minus B, B equal to minus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. From equations 1 and 2, what about minus 4 which is not equal to 2? Therefore, here LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, it is not associative. If LHS equal to RHS means clearly it is associative. Finally, from so equations 1 and 2 unequal. 1 star 2 of star 3 which is not equal to 1 star of 2 star 3. Therefore, star is not associative. Got it? So clearly it is a binary operation because A and B are integers. The difference of any two integer again integer. Therefore, a star carries each ordered pair A comma B to a unique element A star B equal to A minus B inside. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Clearly, a binary operation subtraction means it is not commutative. Not commutative means take particular element here. I am taking directly. I am taking here A star B means here A equal to 1, B equal to 2 like this. A star B 1 star 2. Here binary operation defined. A minus B. A star B equal to A minus B. 1 star 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1. Next B star A 2 star 1 means 2 minus 1 1. Both are unequal means clearly star is not commutative. Next 1 2 3 belongs to Z. Associative property here. Associative property A star B of star C here. Here A equal to 1 star B equal to 2 of star C equal to 3. Next RHS this is A star of B star C for. These two are equal means it is associative, not equal means not associative. First, within bracket here define the terms A star B here defined A minus B 1 star 2 1 minus 2. Here star 3 as it is. 1 minus 2 minus 1 star 3. Now define binary operation. A star B A minus B A equal to minus 1 minus B minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 called as equation 1. Next RHS A star of B star C 1 star of a defined binary operation A star B A minus B 2 minus 3 2 minus 3 minus 1. Now defined binary operation A star is A star B A minus B. A star B A minus B equal to minus 1. 1 plus 1 2 from 1 and 2 LHS is not equal to RHS, therefore star is not associated. So you now go to next problem. Second sub-problem. On Q, define A star B equal to AB plus 1. So your binary operation star here means here defined on the set of all Q means set of all rational numbers. Then what about first verify it is binary operation, next to verify whether it is commutative or not, next verify whether it is associative or not. Tell mind it here. A binary operation defined, very important thing, how it is defined. A star B equal to A into B, first into second element, A into B plus 1. Got it? A star B equal to A into B plus 1. Clearly 1 is a rational number, we know that. Suppose A is a rational number, B is a rational number. A belongs to Q, B belongs to Q. A is a rational number, B is a rational number. The product of two rational numbers, A and B, again a rational number. Again a rational number means AB plus 1. What about AB plus 1? Clearly it is a rational number. Got it? Therefore, a star is a binary operation on the set of all rational numbers. Like AB belongs to a given set Q. Directly we can take A star B, this is equal to AB plus 1. It is also belongs to Q. It is also it is a rational number. Therefore, here star carries each ordered pair A comma B to a unique element. This is A star B equal to AB plus 1 in Q belongs to Q. Therefore, star is a binary operation on Q. Correct. Next, second, verify whether it is commutative or not. Means mind it here. Here A into B, clearly we can write A into B equal to B into A. Got it? AB equal to BA means here clearly it is commutative. Therefore, by taking elements, I am going to prove here. Let AB belongs to Q, rational number. Take A star B. A star B defined, a binary operation defined. A star B equal to A into B here. A into B, AB plus 1 here. AB plus 1. Find B star here. Here operation defined here. A into B plus 1. A star B, A into B plus 1. Here B star A, B into A, B into A plus 1. Correct. BA we can write here. BA equal to AB, BA equal to AB plus 1. Both are equal. Therefore, A star B equal to B star A. For all here, AB belongs to Q. Clearly, A star B equal to B star means clearly what about star is commutative. Star is commutative. Next, associative property. Mind it, if you don't know means by taking elements, we can prove that it is associative or not associative. If you know means, you can directly by taking particular numbers prove that it is not associative. Here mind it, property we can say A star B of star C. Here A star B we define AB plus 1. Star C means here we get C AB plus 1. Suppose A star of B star C. Here A star of how binary operation defined means B into C here. A star B, A into B plus 1. A star B equal to AB plus 1. Here B star C, BC plus 1. Clearly these two are different, not equal. Not equal means clearly it is not associative. We can take directly particular numbers, prove that it is not associative. For easy one I am taking here. 1, 2, 3 belongs to a given set Q. So LHS mind it. A star B, this is A, this is B, this is C. A star B, 1 star 2 of star 3. So RHS, A star of 1 star of 2 star 3. What is it? A star B of star C. Be careful while defining here. A star B, A into B plus 1. Very important. First here I am defining here binary operation star. Here A star B here means A star B, A into B plus 1 here. Here A equal to 1, B equal to 1 into 2. 1 into 2 plus 1. Got it? Like this. 1 star 2, 1 into 2 plus 1. 1 into 2 plus 1. This star 3 as it is. 1 into 2 plus 1, 3. 3 star 3. Here A equal to 3, B equal to 3 here. Binary operation A star B, A into B plus 1. A star B, A into B plus 1 here. 3 star 3, 3 into 3 plus 1. 3 into 3 plus 1. 3 into 3, 9 plus 1, 10. Call it as equation 1. RHS, A star of B star C. First within bracket I am defining your 1 star I am taking as it is. A star B, A into B plus 1. A into B plus 1 here. 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 1 star of 2 into 3, 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. Now define here binary operation again. A star B, A into B. Here 1 into 7. 1 into 7 plus 1. 1 into 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Called as equation 2. From 1 and 2, 10 is not equal to 8 means LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, it is not associative. From equations 1 and 2, 1 star 2 of star 3 is not equal to 1 star of 2 star. Therefore, star is not associative. Got it. So clearly it is a binary operation mind it. Here A and B rational numbers, AB plus 1 clearly rational number, clearly it is a binary operation. Clearly it is commutative because A star B equal to A into B plus 1, B star A, B into A plus 1. This clearly which is equal to AB plus 1. Both are equal, therefore star is commutative. Be careful here. Take any 3 rational numbers, any 3 different rational number, 1, 2, 3 belongs to Q. Here A star B of star C. A star B of star C. While defining star, be careful. A star B equal to A into B plus 1. A star defined A into B. A into B. AB plus 1 here. Within bracket here. A star B. A into B. 1 into 2 plus 1. 1 into 2 plus 1. A star 3 as it is. Here 2 plus 1, 3. 3 star 3. Again here. A into B here. 3 into 3 plus 1. Simplify, we get 10. Similarly, simplify this, we get 8 from 1 and 2. Clearly, it is not associated. So now I am going to do CT problem. So continuation of last class. The domain of the function f of x equal to log of x plus 2 base x is A option open interval 0 comma infinity, B option open interval minus 2 comma infinity, C option open interval 0 comma 1 union open interval 1 comma infinity, D option none of these. The domain of the function here we have to find f of x equal to log of x plus 2 here base x. Here we have formula log m base n can be written as log m divided by log n. What it is? This can be written as log of x plus 2 divided by log x. Clearly, log function defined when here this x value, domain value greater than 0. Your function here f is defined. What about here? Log domain x plus 2. Here x plus 2 must be greater than 0. You know that. In denominator also, here x must be greater than 0. But here when x equal to 1 here, when x equal to 1, what about log 1 0? Here denominator value here 0 means clearly this function will not be defined. Therefore, here x here must not be 1 here. But x is not equal to 1. Very important. X plus 2 greater than 0, then x is greater than plus 2, shifting right side minus 2, and x greater than 0, but here x is not equal to 1. Got it here. Real line minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 to plus infinity, minus infinity. X is greater than minus 2 means here greater than minus 2. Correct. X greater than 0. Greater than 0. X here greater than minus 2 here. X greater than 0. What are the common values satisfying these two conditions? But x value must not be 1 here. X value must not be 1 means yes, satisfying x greater than minus 2, x greater than 0 means this is x greater than 0. Clearly x greater than 0. And x value is not equal to 1. This is clearly you can say that. Suppose your x equal to minus 1 if you take means this case satisfies. What about this case? Not satisfies. Therefore, x must be greater than 0, but here x value is not equal to 1. Means this means you can write x value greater than 0 up to infinity, but not equal to 1 means we write like this. X belongs to open interval 0 comma 1. 1 is not included. Here I am taking open interval union up to 0 to 1. 1 is not included. Next union 1 comma up to infinity. Okay. Here log m base n, this can be written as log m log x plus 2 divided by log x. This function defined only when x plus 2 is greater than 0, and here x must be greater than 0, but here x in log x lies in denominator, therefore here x must not be equal to 1. Here x is greater than minus 2 and x greater than 0. Clearly, what is the common solution satisfying these two cases means x is greater than 0. But here x value is not equal to 1. X is greater than 0 up to infinity means 1 should not be included. Therefore, here we write 0 comma 1 union means here 1 comma up to infinity. Open intervals. So clearly which is the right option means C option is the right option. That's 54th problem. The domain of the function f of x equal to root of x minus 1 plus root of 6 minus x is A option of closed open interval 1 comma infinity, B option open interval minus infinity comma 6, C option closed interval 1 comma 6, D option none of these. Root of x minus 1 plus root of 6 minus 6. Or to find domain of the function means mind it, root x value when it belongs to real number means Here root base x, here x must be greater than or equal to 0. Here x must be non-negative. One thing mind it. Non-negative. So clearly here root of x minus 1, root of 6 minus x means here clearly this function is defined. When means here base value x minus 1 must be greater than or equal to 0, and here root base 6 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. Here x is greater than or equal to shifting minus 1 right side plus 1, and 6, here I am shifting minus x right side, greater than or equal to minus x become plus 6. X greater than or equal to 1, here x less than or equal to 6, it can be written as. Then what is the common solution satisfying these two inequalities? Here 1, 2, 3 up to 6 here. X value greater than 1 equal to 1. X value greater than 1 equal to 1. Then what about here? X value less than 6 equal to 6. X equal to 6 and less than 6. What is the common solution means? Only 1 to 6. X greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 6. This is the common solution. Therefore, here we can write, this can be written as x is greater than or equal to 1 here. X greater than or equal to 1 and x value less than or equal to 6. This can be written as x belongs to, here equal means a closed interval 1 comma 6. This means endpoints input A. What it here? This function is defined only here base must be greater than or equal to 0, x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0, and 6 minus x greater than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to 1 and 6 here greater than or equal to minus x taking right side plus x. Here x less than or equal to 6. What is the common solution? X greater than or equal to 1 and x less than or equal to 6 means here from 1 to 6. What is the domain of the function here? Closed interval 1 comma 6. Well, C option is the right option. Thank you.